Hey lock lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charity Lock Slayer. Now today I'm going to be doing a mohawk barrel twist. So I'm going to show you how to complete a barrel twist, and I'm also going to show you some lock grooming techniques you can use. So stay tuned for that. For this lock repair, I'm going to use my crochet needle to get the job done, so just pay close attention. So me as a loctician, when I'm twisting, I always make sure that I am twisting all of the new growth. I want to make sure I get all of the new growth going all the way down the shaft. So I might twist a couple of times, and then I might even do a palm roll to secure. But I always make sure that I am not twisting too tight, because that can cause thinning in your locks. As a loctician, and for inspiring locticians, just make sure that you are paying close attention to that person's hair texture, because some clients might need more attention than others. Okay, so I finally reached the top. I got a couple of more to twist, and then I'm going to start with my barrel twist. Okay, so basically to do a barrel twist, you're going to start, if you're right-handed, you're going to start with your right and take another lock and twist it in the opposite direction. That means that the right lock is going to go over to the left side and under the rest of the hair. And then you're going to take the left side of the lock and move it towards the right side of the twist, and make sure you are putting the locks underneath each time. That's how you create the barrel. And you're going to complete this technique going all the way down their locks until you reach the end, and you're going to make sure you secure it however you wish with the rubber band with their locks. Whatever technique that you decide on, just make sure that you secure the ends. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Here are the results. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and share this video. This has been a Lockslation production.